How to reverse video on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can reverse videos on CapCut. Now to do so is quite simple. Simply once you open CapCut app, you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is either select a project from your drafts or create a new project. Now I'll just select a quick video here. Now here, once you open up the video, to reverse a video, what you need to do is simply tap and select the video that you want to reverse. You can cut the part and just select the part that you want to reverse as well by splitting it or dragging it. So once you select it, on the bottom of the screen you'll find varieties of options. If you scroll all the way to the right, if you just swipe all the way to the right, and you'll find the option reverse. Simply tap on reverse and you can see the video is reversing. So this way you can reverse video on CapCut app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.